What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel Sudeep Talks. Today we are in a slate factory. This is the plastic border of the slate, which is in yellow color. This is melted in a machine and made as the border. This is the machine I mentioned before, which is used for making the border. This is another type of slate. This is the shape of the slate. This is the storage room of the slate factory, in which all the slates are stored in boxes. These are the slates. These are the slate pencils. These are the packed boxes of slates.